got today?
They're making up a train of empty reefers for us to haul back to Harrisburg.
We run out of wire in Harrisburg. Do you know what we're bringing back?
We won't know until you guys get us there.
How soon will they be ready?
We should be shoving down onto the westbound departure track now.
Do we have approval to head over to the departure tracks?
Got it right here.
Did you see that the entire train is made up of empty beer reefers?
Yeah, as soon as Bill gets back to the cabin, we should be ready to go.
The air is up and we're ready to go. How long does it take Bill to walk back to the cabin?
He should be getting there about now. There's Bill's signal. Let's head to Harrisburg.